I noticed there was a leak from the puck that's under my water heater. At first I thought it was dripping from the isolation valve, but then I noticed on the right side of the tank it was also leaking, so I took the cover off. Inside there was water pooled up in the bottom of the unit. On the back left side there's a plastic cap that you can unthread. This is the trap for the condensate line. Once I got the cap off, it was completely full of debris. I ran this under the sink, cleaned it out, threaded it back onto the unit, and that fixed the issue.